Alright, there's a vacuum leak somewhere, but I don't know where it is. I can definitely hear it. Sounds like it's over on this side. I don't know where the vacuum leak is. I can definitely hear it. Once the engine got up to operating temperature. Alright, it's at operating temperature now. It's finally idling. But there's a huge vacuum leak somewhere. I replaced the intake manifold gasket. So where's the leak coming from? Where's the vacuum leak? I can hear it, but where is it? I have no clue. And believe me, I went over every part of that back end. I've taken the intake off twice already. Idle wants to drop. Please comment below if you think you know where this vacuum leak is. Brand new head gasket, brand new valves. I got a vacuum leak somewhere. Comment below. Thanks.